In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Jotform. By the end, you'll know how to log in, build a form from scratch, style it to match your brand, and share it with others. Start by opening your web browser and heading to jotform.com. If you already have an account, sign in using your preferred method. If you're new, click Sign Up to create a free account. It only takes a moment and gives you access to the form builder and all the publishing options we'll use. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Create Form button. When you click it, you'll see options to start from scratch, use template, or import form. Templates can be helpful if you want a quick starting point, and importing is great for bringing in an existing form. For learning purposes today, choose Start from Scratch so you can see every part of the process. Next, pick a layout. You'll see Classic Form, which shows questions one under another on a single page, and Card Form, which presents one question per page like a guided flow. Classic is the most common choice for general use, while Card can feel more conversational and focused. Select the style that best fits your audience. Now add your fields. On the left, the Form Elements panel gives you the basics you need. Drag in a full name field and an email address field to collect essential contact information. Keep your form lean at first. Shorter forms are faster to complete and usually see higher response rates. You can always come back to add more later. Customize each field to keep things clear and professional. Click any field to open its settings on the right. Rename the label to something your audience will instantly recognize, add placeholder text to show an example of what to enter, and mark a field as required if you absolutely must have that information. For email, use validation to make sure the entry is in a proper format. If you set character limits, keep them reasonable so you don't block real responses. Give your form a polished look with the Form Designer, accessible via the paintbrush icon. Adjust colors and fonts to align with your brand, and aim for strong contrast so text is easy to read. Simple, consistent styles usually perform best and look great on both desktop and mobile. When you're ready to share, go to the Publish tab. You can copy a direct link, send the form via email, embed it on a website using an HTML script or iframe, or generate a QR code for print and in-person sharing. Before distributing widely, open the link on your phone and computer to make sure everything looks right. Then share the link and start collecting responses.